guys, it's Shirley. So today I'm going to solve this Leetcode medium problem. Remove the nth node from the end of the list. Given a head of a linked list, remove the nth node from the end of the list and return its head. So to start off, I'm thinking of using two pointers, one slow, one fast, that both point to head initially, and then I'm going to traverse through the linked list one time, so one pass, and I'm going to, first I'm going to initiate the two pointers. Slow equals fast equals ahead. And I want to set fast equal to the nth node from the start of the list. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to loop through set fast equal to fast.next and do that n times. So I'm going to have a for loop, and then I'm going to set fast equals fast.next, and this will set fast equal to the nth node from beginning of the list. So if fast node is null, then I want to return the head, not next. And now I'm going to loop through the linked list the remaining nodes. So if fast.next, I'm going to set fast equal to next pointer, and then I'm going to have slow equal to the next pointer. So now slow is at the nth node from the end of the list, because fast.next is being traversed length of the linked list minus n times. So now I'm going to set the next point, the pointer after the slow pointer, to the node after the nth node from the end of the list. So now I'm going to return head and see if this works. Faster than 73%. Thanks, guys.